Good morning, dear students. First of all, I'd like to say that stay at home, be safe, and don't go out of your houses. Follow all the precautions set by the government strictly. Secondly, all my friends, as they have started their online classes, giving messages to the student. So today I am here for the same reason. I'm going to start my class 7 English chapters, in which you must take full concentration. You must be very careful and listen properly, because after the listening tasks you will be getting writing tasks also. Before going through the chapters, as it is my first day delivering my lessons to all of you, let me introduce the book and its contents. The book we are using this session is Stepping Stones, and it is written by Dr. Madhuri Sharma and Kankai Sharma. It is a very good book. It has more and more exercises to do for all of you. It has good stories, good poems, and so on. There are about 20 chapters, more than 20 chapters in the book. All of them are combined under the different units. There are about 5 units, namely, I would like to say that in Unit 1, it is childhood. In Unit 2, it is courage and determination. In Unit 3, it is friends. Unit 4, humor. And Unit 5, workman. These are all the units under which you have to read different kinds of chapters allotted in the book. Now let us talk about the Unit 1. It is childhood. We know that childhood, it is a very precious time for all human beings. It is called Bachpan in Hindi also. It is the time when you mesmerize each and everybody towards you. It is the very valuable time when all your mistakes are forgiven by your elders. It is the time of innocency. Now, let me talk about the childhood days. The childhood days are categorized in different ages. For example, when you born, from your birth to 2 years, it is called infant ages. Infant ages, where you are very innocent, when you are in the lap of your mother, when your eyes only sees the people around you who are known to you, and it is the time when you get lots of love from your parents, mother and father, and so on. After that comes early childhood. That means from 3 to 8 years. It is the time when you will start walking and you will start for your processing steps. That means in this time you will be learning, walking, running, going to school, learning other things, other materialistic things. After that, it comes middle childhood days. That is from 9 years to 11 years. That is called middle childhood days. After 11 years, from 12 to 18 years, it is called adolescence. These are the different steps of your childhood when you come from a small baby to the bigger one, adult one. After you get adult, if you have the sense of adult sense, one day you will get married, you will have different profession for your survival, you will be meeting lots of competition challenges. At that time, you will be under such type of constructive mind that you only think about your families, how to upgrade them. After that comes old age, after that death. So let other time be apart. Let us talk about the childhood days. In childhood days, there are lots of memories because we do different kinds of activities that are unknown to us. At that time, our mind are innocent. We do small or big mistakes, but we are forgiven by others. At that time, we don't have tension, we don't have worries. We only want to be happy, play, eat, and dance. This is called childhood. No matter, it can be called also as a golden age, which a human being can never forget in their lifespan. Childhood days certainly have a very good memories because sometimes we do parties, sometimes we go for picnic, sometimes we celebrate picnics, and sometimes do then and that. But the thing is that the most important thing that remains in our mind is that it is the birthday that we celebrate. The birthday of childhood days, it is a very remarkable throughout our life. Though your birthday may be grand, though your birthday may not be grand, but you obviously love your birthday when you were a child. Birthday becomes very dear to children. One of the main reason is that at this time they get gifts, they get blessings, and they are loved more on this day than the other days. So it is very special to the children. Dear student, we came across the childhood, the unit 1. It is not so very lengthy topic because it is understandable by everyone, because we everyone have come across childhood days and we have done different kind of activities. Slowly and slowly we came to understand the real world. So let the things be in aside. You heard about the explanation about the childhood in short. This was your listening task. Now for today, I'll just like to give you some writing tasks to all of you. Listen it properly, carefully. I'll revise the question and you have to write note and you have to practice yourself, and later on it may be checked. Number 1, exercise number 1. We all have birthdays. Remember one of the birthday party where you were very happy. In one side, in another side you were little bit sad also because you were not able to do that thing you want to do. Make a list of 5 things, such things. You can submit it in paragraphs also, or in different good and sensible sentences. Number two, there are different difficult words that we find in the unit, in the topic. I am reading out the different kinds of word. Please try to read it, understand it, and try to make the sensible sentences from this word. Number one, childhood. Number one, childhood. Number two, children. Number two, children. Number three, celebrate. Number four, birthday. Number five, occasion. Number six, anniversary. Number seven, momentous. Number eight, receive. Number nine, gifts. Number 10, birth. These are all the words that you have to learn in this unit. Now, in my next class, I'll be touching the chapters that is inside this unit. Stay at home, be safe, and help your parents.